You just made a killer trade on Kraken. Maybe you bought the dip on that hot new altcoin, or finally sold off that meme coin that just wouldn't moan. Now you're ready to cash out and celebrate. But hold on a minute, there's one crucial step between you and cold, hard, well, probably not hard cash, but actual money in your account. The dreaded withdrawal. Building context, 015 to 045. We've all been there. You hit that withdrawal button, and suddenly a wave of anxiety washes over you. How long will it take? Did I enter the right address? Is there some hidden fee I missed? Fear not, crypto warriors. In this episode of the Cryptocoaster, we're diving deep into the murky waters of Kraken withdrawals. We'll break down the confirmation times, troubleshoot potential delays, and get you off that exchange and onto your celebratory shopping spree, responsibly, of course. Types of withdrawals and confirmation times, 045 to 215. First things first, Kraken offers two main types of withdrawals, cryptocurrency and fiat, traditional money. Let's tackle crypto first. Generally, cryptocurrency withdrawals are pretty speedy. Kraken estimates it takes around 10 minutes for them to process your request and send the funds to your wallet. But that's just the exchange side. The actual time it takes for the coins to show up in your wallet depends on the specific cryptocurrency and its network congestion. Bitcoin, for example, can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour during peak times. Newer cryptos with faster block times might be near instantaneous. Now, for fiat withdrawals, things get a bit more complex. Kraken separates fiat withdrawals by currency. Here's a rundown of what to expect. ACH transfers, USD only. This is the slowest option, taking 3 to 5 business days for the funds to hit your bank account. There's also a 72-hour hold on your account for first-time ACH purchases, so keep that in mind. Wire transfer. This is a faster option, with transfers typically arriving within 1 to 3 business days. However, wire transfers often come with higher fees. SEPA transfers, euro only. Similar to ACH transfers, SEPA withdrawals can take 3 to 5 business days for the funds to reach your European bank account. Important considerations and troubleshooting, 215 to 345. Now, before you hit that withdrawal button with reckless abandon, there are a few things to consider. Double-check your withdrawal address. This might seem obvious, but a typo here can send your precious crypto into the crypto abyss, never to be seen again. Triple-check that address. Minimum withdrawal amounts. There are minimum withdrawal amounts for each currency. Make sure your withdrawal meets that minimum before initiating it. Withdrawal holds. As mentioned earlier, there might be a temporary hold on your account, especially for first-time deposits or certain payment methods. Network confirmation times. Remember, for crypto withdrawals, the exchange processing is just one step. The actual confirmation depends on the blockchain itself. If your withdrawal seems stuck, here are some troubleshooting steps. Check the status. Kraken provides a handy withdrawal status tracker. Use that to see where your funds are in the process. Contact support. If the status seems off or hasn't updated in a reasonable time frame, don't hesitate to reach out to Kraken support. They're there to help. Remember, patience is key. Crypto transactions, especially fiat withdrawals, can take some time. Don't panic if your funds don't appear instantly. Conclusion, 3:45 to 4 o'clock. So, there you have it, crypto comrades. With a little planning and patience, you can navigate the world of Kraken withdrawals with ease. Now go forth, conquer the market, and get that hard-earned cash, or crypto, in your hands. Remember, responsible trading is key, so don't blow it all on that limbo in the first week. Outro, 4 o'clock. With that said, thanks for watching this episode of the Cryptocoaster. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto content. Until next time, happy trading.